Hey guys, so today's video is me showing you how to get the perfect look for blonde hair. I was recently stopped by the way I looked in my makeup that I did with my blonde hair, so I thought I'd teach you guys how I do it. So I'm going to start off by hiding all my dark circles and any dark areas on my face using my orange concealer. Then I'm going to take my actual foundation, which is MAC Studio Fix, I believe it's NW40. Then I'm going to take the NC40 and I'm going to use that as a highlight, and then just blend all of that in. Once I'm done blending, I'm going to take my NW50 to add some warmth. This is just going to create nice shadows. Again, these are a combination of cool tones and warm tones. Then I'm going to take my black opal foundation stick, and I'm mainly using that to contour. So starting from my eyebrows to create a more structured face down to my nose. And then I'm going to take my MAC Studio Sculpt Concealer to shape in my brows. Once I'm done, I'm just going to blend all of that in. And then I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear and then apply that as a concealer to hide all the dark circles. I'm using my Morphe palette, the natural palette. I'm going to be playing around with all the warm tones so that it suits all the shadows I've created with my foundation. So brown in my crease and some orange on my eyelids. So I'm just going back and forth repeatedly till I'm happy with the outcome of how the eyeshadow looks. So I'm going to apply that to my lower lids as well. I'm taking a white eyeliner just to open up my eyes. Again, it just adds to the look. I'm tight lining my upper lids because of the white eyeliner transferred, and then I'm going to apply some mascara. You can see how the look is already coming together. My skin tone looks nice and warm. I've taken my Revolution banana powder and then I'm going to use that to set all my foundation in and blend it very well. Once I'm done blending, I'm going to take an orange tone from my eyeshadow and just use it to warm up my face. Then as for lips, I'm going to take this peach lipstick from NARS, and then I'm going to couple it with this matte liquid lipstick from Primark. Then I'm going to take my highlighter from Revolution, which is a beautiful highlighter that I adore, and then I'm just going to add it to areas of my face where the sun's going to hit. Again, I don't want the highlighter to be, super shouty or pronounced, so I'm going to blend all of that in. We want it to be subtle and we just want it to look like, this goes with our look. So I'm finishing my lips with a Fenty Beauty gloss. Again, just to make everything just pop really. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take my Revolution Fix spray just to set all of that in. And then I'm going to wait for it to dry, and once I'm done, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder and then just mattify the areas I don't want shiny. And that's mainly my under eyes and some areas of my face. So yeah, once I'm done, I'm going to just style my hair as desired. And yeah, that's it. You can see how natural it looks. It looks like I've been on holiday, although I know it's autumn, but I think a nice warm face or adding some warmth is also nice for the autumn. So please do thumbs up if you like, and I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye.